Ever wanted to guide viewers straight to the best part? That's where YouTube timestamps come in and work magic. Viewers love clicking timestamps because they skip boring filler instantly. Did you know timestamps can increase engagement by 40%? Creators use them to highlight jokes, tips, or big reveals. On desktop, timestamps make long videos easy to navigate. On mobile, they're equally powerful for audience interaction. Imagine your comment becoming a roadmap for the whole video. People will thank you, like your comment, even subscribe. YouTube's algorithm notices engagement and rewards creators with higher visibility. Many channels secretly use timestamps to boost watch time drastically. Think of them as shortcuts that viewers actually appreciate using. Without timestamps, audiences often leave videos halfway through out of boredom. With timestamps, they stay longer and revisit highlights multiple times. That repeat viewing signals YouTube to promote your content harder. Timestamping isn't only for creators, even regular viewers can participate. Fans often drop timestamps in comments to share reactions. Those comments usually get hundreds of likes and replies. It's community-driven interaction that helps videos feel alive. Best part? You don't need tools, apps, or extensions. Everything works natively inside YouTube, both desktop and mobile platforms. Now, let's carefully break down exactly how to do it. First, play the video and pause at your moment. Look closely at the timestamp shown on the progress bar. Write the exact numbers in your comment box directly. Example, type 345 and post it without formatting. YouTube automatically converts it into a clickable hyperlink instantly. On mobile, repeat the process. Pause, note time, type. For longer videos, always use hours, minutes, and seconds. Pin your timestamped comment for visibility and watch engagement skyrocket.